Spring's upon us despite the weather, and with the change in seasons comes a change maybe in your beauty routine. So what's in, what's out? Nicole Pearl, aka the Beauty Girl, joining us with some ideas and tips. Welcome back. Always good to see you.
So glad to be back.
Yeah, so spring feels like a fresh rejuvenation, right? And so you found some fun things. Tell me about this.
And there's some good trends happening, so let's talk about it. So
Okay.
in the past, we knew that glazed donut skin was super shiny. That was that's out.
The dewy look is gone.
That's gone. Now we're
Really?
doing satin skin, which
Okay.
is not too matte, not too shiny. And the way to do that is with skincare. You want calming and hydrating.
Okay.
So I brought you this Pharmaceutical Puri Sensilic Dermal Mist Toner. Now this is a toner that you put on cleansed skin. You could spritz throughout the day or put it on over makeup. It's calming and hydrating. So if you deal with flare-ups or anything, this is great for you. And Pharmaceutical is actually a dermocosmetics European skincare brand that's now available in the U.S. You can get this at Walgreens. It's only $15.
I love it. That's even better. You can go to Walgreens and get this,
created by chemists, biologists, dermatologists. Great.
Yeah. Okay, cool. What do we have next?
Okay, so now we're talking about soap nails.
I like
This is a light manicure of pinks or beiges, and the way to pull that off is making sure your hands are healthy. So this is Earth Therapeutics. It's their thermal moisturizing hand mask. This is a 20-minute indulgent hand treatment that has botanicals like shea butter and argan oil, and it's going to make your hands so hydrated. It's got hyaluronic acid, and the nice thing is that they're doing a great deal for Fox viewers. 25% off. Go to earththerapeutics.com, enter the code FOX25 at checkout. It brings these down to under $7.
Okay, so is this something you can only get online through them, or is this also sold in?
They're sold at Ulta, but I would get this online in order to get the discount.
Yeah. Good idea. Okay, what do we have here?
Okay, the next trend is storytelling scents. So fragrance captures memories. This is Urban Cowgirl's Still Blushing fragrance. It's all about capturing that moment of when you first fall in love. It's like spring renewal. It smells amazing. It's got Israeli blood orange. It's got gardenia. This is a fragrance for everybody. Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful.
Approachable, wearable.
Yeah.
Like whether you're into fragrance or not, I promise you will love this. They have a roll-on, great for travel.
This is the same one?
Yeah, same one. Roll-on and fragrance spray. Urban Cowgirl is amazing in a small business.
What does this cost?
Oh, this is around $45 for the fragrance. All affordable. So let's talk about floral fashion, because that's back in. So you want to bring out your fashion, and a great way to revive it is with these Dryel cleaning cloths. So put 5 pieces of your garments in the dryer for 20 minutes, and this is going to deodorize, it's going to de-wrinkle, it's going to bring your clothes back to life for the new season. Also good for delicates like silks and linen. So I love Dryel, $15 at Target.
In the dryer?
In the dryer for 20 minutes, up to 5 garments. So it's kind of like an at-home dry cleaner.
Right, love it. Okay, and finally, what do we have here?
Minimal makeup and monochromatic makeup is big for spring. That's one color on your eyes, lips, and face. This is Biddy Balm, a local female founder, created this line, all clean makeup, dye-free all over balms for your eyes, lips, and face.
Eyes, lips, and face.
So one color, all different shades you can play around with. But I love that it's safe and clean. So whether you want to wear it or if I want my daughter to play around with it, I can feel really good. So Biddy Balm is like the go-to for safe, clean, beautiful makeup. You can get sheer finishes of color or build it, and it's more, you know, of a more pigment.
So I was going to say, this is not really a foundation. It's what you put over.
This is a makeup, like a balm, and there's all different shades. So if you want champagne or more berry, you can choose.
I love that. Very fun. These are all really fun items. Where can people go to get more information?
Go to NicolePearl.com and follow me on Instagram, Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl.
And we're excited because you're coming back with some Mother's Day tips for us, right? Okay.